bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Seeds, suet, fruits, and nectar are perfect foods to attract birds to your backyard. Sunflower seeds appeal to a wide range of birds, while suet provides essential fats for energy. Fruits like oranges and berries attract species such as robins and cedar waxwings. Lastly, provide sugar water solutions for hummingbirds.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.